In this video, you will see a few more ways how to wear an oblong scarf with a shirt. Thank you, my dear friends who sent me this beautiful double-sided Chanel scarf. Thank you so much. I have a lot of fun styling it. And now let's tie our scarf. This is a silk double-sided Chanel scarf, 56 by 6 inches. Fold your scarf to make it narrow and in the middle. Make a loop. You can wear it on the top of your collar, or you can wear it under your collar. By the way, for more scarf ideas, remember to subscribe and hit that bell button to get notifications. For the second style, take the upper end and tuck it on one side. If you want more ideas for neck scarves, I will include some links at the end of this video. Now, take the lower end and tuck it on opposite side. Pull everything open. It looks quite interesting, and no one will guess how you made it. The third style is a variation that comes from the first style too. Just tuck the ends like this, making this neat look. You can wear it like this, or leave one end untucked. If you like vintage scarves, check the links in the description for some nice vintage scarves from Eatsy. By the way, if you like neck scarves, you may want to watch these videos too. Subscribe, hit the like button and let me know in the comment section below what kind of video tutorial you would like to see. I hope to see you next time. Bye!